how to add payment method on TikTok Shop. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be showing you how you will be able to add and even view the different payment methods available on TikTok Shop. So first things first, of course, open your TikTok and navigate yourself through the shop over here. Next thing that you will do is look over here on the top where you can see the search bar. Click the icon beside the cart and you will see this pop up over here on the bottom, and you will see that there is an option called payments. So simply select that and then you will be able to see all the different payment methods right now that you currently have. So to be able to add, simply click on add debit card or credit card and then you will be able to add it over here. Now you will be able to use other payment methods as well in the payment section or the checkout section. If you click on checkout over here, you're going to have to enter your address. But in the payment section, you should be able to also find your payment options such as GCash, PayMaya, and all of those local shop or local wallets that we have over here in the Philippines. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.